everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney and today is a very exciting day because my mom and I just boarded the beautiful ship. I will put the name and everything right here. And today is really exciting, and this whole week is going to be really exciting. Well, it's kind of 10 days because I am on the first ever Adventures by Disney Antarctica Expedition Cruise. So we just boarded the ship and I am going to be doing a room tour to show you the beautiful room that we are in. We are in room 321, so it's a very easy room number to remember. And I have looked around the room a bit and it is so beautiful. So I'm going to show you everything about it. Here we go. So here's the back of the door from where I first walked in. There's safety drill stuff, this, and I have not opened this door yet, so we are going to see what's in it. I think we can turn the light on. Oh, I turned it off. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's really pretty. It's very simple. It's nice because it's just one toilet and some artwork, all the things that you would need in a bathroom. And then over here, it looks like we got some hooks where we can hang stuff. I don't know if we have robes or something or anything. I don't know. But I don't know if this opens. I don't think it does. It seems like it would because it has like a little gap here, but I'm not sure. So over here, we got two doors. Oh, and here, ooh, we do got robes. Okay. We also got some life jackets, which they told us we are going to be wearing for the safety drill, which is really cool because I've never actually gone to wear them. And then we have a ton of hangers. We have more hangers over here. And we have two robes. Ooh, these feel really nice. And here, I think these are laundry basket thingies, laundry bags. It says Ponant, which is the ship we are on. We got some nice slippers, two pairs of slippers since it is my mom and I. We have these really nice umbrellas. Wow. These are big and nice. I like that. We brought umbrellas for no reason, I guess, but that's pretty cool because those ones are way better than the ones we brought. Then there's a safe, which we don't have anything in yet, obviously. Tons of drawers. In the first one, we have got, I don't really know what these are. Maybe you can figure it out. I don't know what that is. I know that this is a hairdryer. It looks really nice. It's good to know that there's a hairdryer on board the ship. And then just down there, there's really nothing. It's probably meant for shoes and stuff. So we are going to close this and move on to the next part. Right here, we've got a beautiful full-length mirror, which is very nice that you can see your whole outfit in the morning. I don't know what this is down here. It looks like an outlet maybe. I'm not really sure. But maybe we'll find out at some point. Over here in this store, ooh, the lights, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. We got some towels in here, and we have got, this is really cool. Okay, we can literally see out from in here. I bet you on the other side it's like tinted, so it's like a see and see out thing. I did not know that was what it was gonna be. Then we got another mirror right here. Hey, we got some more cords and stuff, probably for the hair dryer, some cups. Here's the shampoo and conditioner, the sink. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. We got a trash can down there. Looks like we got a shower cap and a vanity set. There's some nice things in the drawer, more towels down there. Here is the shower. I can't really give you the best view. It's a clear door that closes like that. Some nice flooring, and obviously the shower top. So here it is, and it's so weird how like you can be like, here, I'll step in the shower. You can like be in the shower and see the ocean. Like, that's insane. So that's the beautiful bathroom. Here's another overview if you want to see. Let's go over to this side. Oh wait, you can see like right into the bathroom. That's fun. Wait, okay. So there's a sliding door right here for privacy, obviously. I'm surprised the door's on the outside, honestly. Like, okay. Maybe there's a way to tint the windows. I don't really know how it works. But that's very interesting. So I guess when you just take a shower, you just close the door and hope that no one from the outside opens it. This kind of looks like a speaker. I'm not sure what it is. I'm assuming it's a speaker. I'm assuming these are lights too. Yes, it's a light. It's very nice. Oh, we also have something beautiful on the bed. It's a program. I don't really know what's in it. Over here, so I'll show the beds first. So here are the beds. They're very close together right now, but here are the beds. There's 2 of them, and then we have a very nice chair right here for seating, a nice table where you can maybe put a book if you want to read. Once again, another light for reading. This beautiful artwork. And then we also got this really cute blanket, which says Ponant, so that's pretty cool. So we'll head over here, where right here we have a COVID protection kit. Right now it's obviously still COVID time. I don't really know what's in it, so let's see. Looks like we got some hand sanitizer. Whoa, we literally got 4 masks. Okay, that's cool. Some sort of gel. And then more gel stuff. Maybe it's hand sanitizer. I think it is. I don't really know, because we got hand sanitizer here. So, I mean, that's pretty great. A tissue box. We got this. So this shows like a ship directory. There's a pen in here. Menu, probably for food. And it has it in 2 different languages. Just a bunch of different stuff. It talks about Wi-Fi, the remote, the bed. Oh, it talks about this, which is a Bluetooth base. That's cool. Looks like we got some papers and some envelopes in there. And then this is just my room key and one of the masks I brought. Oh, I did not mean to do that. I opened it up too fast. Looks like there's nothing in there. I just like to check just to see if there's anything fun just that will be a surprise. And then right here, we got a very fancy mirror. So you can get ready in the morning here, and there's a phone and more chargers right here, which is very nice. Oh my god, I think this is a gift. I don't know, I'm pretty sure. I think we could keep this. I think there's water in it right now. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think there's water in it. Okay, that's cool. Your bottled water has been refilled with filtered water. If you need to refill your bottle again, please be aware that you can do so in our refilling station. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's awesome. I love that. And then we have some mugs for tea and coffee, which is very nice. Under here, we also have this little trunk. I don't think it opens up or anything, but that's pretty cool. And then in here, it looks like we have a little fridge. Oh my gosh, there is stuff in here. I don't really know what it is. It's just a bunch of drinks. I don't know anything by its proper name, probably. But that's pretty cool that there's drinks. I'm assuming it's all included. Now I'm going to go out to the balcony to show you the balcony. Keep in mind, we are still in port. We have not left the ship. This is literally my first time in this room, so we just boarded. But here is the balcony. There are some curtains where you can close, obviously. So let's go outside. There's a little lock here, so we're gonna make sure not to lock myself out. Here we go. So there's a bus right here full of people that are getting on the ship soon. We have 2 very nice chairs, and then obviously the window, which you can see my reflection. So we got some very nice chairs, a little footrest, and this is the view. And I'm so excited. Let's go back inside. So you guys, that is the room tour. I love this room. I'm so excited to be staying in this room for the next, I think, 10 nights or so. I am so excited. I just can't wait. I'm going to Antarctica. Like, what? Is this even real? Like, I don't know. We've done so much to get here, and I am just so beyond excited for this adventure. I cannot wait. Anyways, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be posting so many Antarctica videos, and I'm going to be vlogging probably this whole trip. I may have already posted some videos by the time you are watching this one. I'm not really sure my uploading schedule plan yet or anything. We're just gonna see how it goes. But yeah, I'm so excited. This is gonna be the best time ever. Anyways, you guys, have an amazing day. Bye.